Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In this video we are going to show you how to replace the ignition coils or the spark plugs on a Dodge Caliber. This is a 2.0 engine, so it will be the same, I think, all the way from 2007 all the way until 2012, if I remember right. And this is where the ignition coils are, and if you get an engine code P0300, it means that ignition coil number 1 is not working right. And the last digit of the code is the one representing the number of the ignition coil. So we're going to show you how to replace the ignition coil. It's very easy, it's very inexpensive if you purchase it on eBay or online store instead of going to the dealer, and also show you how to replace the spark plugs. The first thing that you need to do, you need to press down here and pull the cable out of it. And now with a T30 socket or a bit, you need to remove that ball there. That's the one holding the ignition coil to the valve cover. And all you do now, you just pull it out. And this is the ignition coil itself right here. It takes about a couple of seconds to replace it, super simple. And that's where the spark plug is located now. So you need 5/8, let me make sure, 5/8 socket for that. And you just loosen it to the left and you take it off all the way, pull it out of there. It's important to replace your spark plugs because it's going to improve your gas mileage. If the spark plugs are too old, the spark is not powerful enough and it's not burning the fuel right. And as you can see, that's what happened with this one. The gap is too big and you can see how black this one is. It's not supposed to be so black. So that's how you remove and replace the spark plugs on that Dodge Caliber. All you need to do now is just get a new spark plug and put it there and get it tight and install the ignition coil. Pretty simple procedure. Thank you guys for watching us. If you have any questions, let us know. Don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.